Hello and welcome back. So, last time, what we have done? Yes, we have started with our new chapter, chapter number 15. And in that, lastly, we have seen what? That whole family members were preparing for the day. That means they brought the fresh vegetables and even they have take out the previous day's vegetable and they have prepared. Now, let's see what we are going to understand today. So we came in this paragraph, page number 115. By 7 o'clock, father arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the market. What do you mean by hand cart? એટલે કે ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો લારી. He says that if he is late, then the regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. So what father was telling that if he become late to go to the market, then all the regular customers will buy the vegetables from other greengrocer. Okay, now what is the meaning of greengrocer? A person who sells vegetables and fruits. Now, as soon as father leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. So Vaishali was going to school at 7:30 a.m. after father leaves for the market. Now, for the teacher, discuss the scene of vegetable mandi, big market with the student. For this, I am going to send the YouTube link, or whenever you are going to your vegetable market with your parents, you can see the scenario of vegetable market. Now in the market, now what happens in the market, let's see. Chotu attends school in the morning. He goes to market at 10 a.m. with food for father and bhai. So, what was the timing of Chotu school? In early morning. And at 10 a.m., he used to go to market with food for father and bhai. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Okay, yes or no? Are you getting or not? So, here what happens, there is no perfect time for Chotus to go to school. It is not mentioned in this chapter, but we can assume that it is of 11 o'clock. Okay, so here what happens, he goes to the market at 10 a.m. with food for father and bhai. He stays with them at vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Okay, so he stays there only. Till what? Till it is a time for going to school. So imagine it will be 11 o'clock. Sometimes he goes directly from school to help his father. So after leaving the school, okay, after school completes, Chotu used to go to father's place to help him. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetable first. Now why? Let's see. Father sells the previous day's vegetable first. Why do you think he is doing this? The reason is that if previous day's vegetable remain unsold, राइट, अगर पिछले दिन का वेजिटेबल्स अगर वो सेल नहीं होगा तो वो बिगड़ जाएंगे. ओके, एंड देर विल बी वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली फादर यूज टू सेल previous day's vegetable first, and after that he sells fresh vegetable. ઓકે, જો આગલા દિવસના વેજીટેબલ્સ સેલ નહીં થાય તો એ બગડી જશે અને પૈસા પણ વેસ્ટ થશે. એટલે તે શું કરે છે, પ્રીવિયસ ડેઝના વેજીટેબલ્સ પહેલાં સેલ કરે છે અને પછી ફ્રેશ વેજીટેબલ સેલ કરે છે. હેવ યુ એવર સીન ડ્રાઈડ ઓર રોટન વેજીટેબલ્સ? વેર? યસ, યુ હેવ સીન એટ મેની પ્લેસીસ, normally at vegetable market. So whatever vegetables or fruits got rotten, એટલે સડી ગયા છે કે બગડી ગયા છે, તો વેજીટેબલ સેલર એને સેલ નહીં કરે પણ એને ફેંકી દે છે. how did you know that the vegetables were rotten? તમને કેવી રીતે ખબર પડશે કે વેજીટેબલ્સ બગડી ગયા છે? તો there are different ways through which we can find that vegetable is rotten. First, we will find a stinky smell coming out from the vegetable. Color of the vegetable is also changed sometime. The softness will increase, right? Vegetables or fruits પોચા પડી જશે, રાઈટ, એનું ટેક્સચર ખરાબ થઈ જશે. સમ લિક્વિડ્સ આર કમિંગ આઉટ ફ્રોમ ધ વેજીટેબલ ઓર ફ્રૂટ્સ એન્ડ સમટાઇમ્સ કલર્સ ઓફ વેજીટેબલ એન્ડ ફ્રૂટ ઓલ્સો ચેન્જ. સો બાય ધીસ physically we can find that vegetable is rotten or it is good. As the previous day's vegetable get sold, buy take out fresh vegetables from the sack and put them in the cart. એટલે પ્રીવિયસ ડેઝના વેજીટેબલ જ્યારે સેલ થઈ જાય પછી ભાઈ શું કરે છે, ફ્રેશ વેજીટેબલ્સ પાછા અરેન્જ કરે છે હેન્ડ કાર્ટ ઉપર. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables so that they do not dry up. એટલે કે સુકાઈ ના જાય એટલે વોટર સ્પ્રિંકલ કરે છે, એસ્પેશિયલી ઇન સમર. સો વી નો દેટ ઇન સમર ટાઈમ there will be too much of heat, and because of that heat what happens, vegetables normally get dry and it will get spoiled faster. So to avoid that, the bhai is sprinkling the water on the vegetables. Father and bhai return around 10 o'clock at night. By then Chotu and I sleep. એટલે કે વેજીટેબલ માર્કેટમાંથી રાતના 10 વાગે ફાધર અને મોટા ભાઈ આવે છે અને ત્યાં સુધીમાં હું અને છોટું તો સૂઈ ગયા હોઈએ છીએ. Everyone else sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night and next day wake up early again and doing the same process, right? So here I am stopping myself. Next part we are going to continue next time. Till then, tata and have a nice time.